Hey guys, it's Sean again with another box break here. I got a box of 1819 O-Pee-Chee here. 600 card base set. If set collecting's your thing, set collecting isn't my thing though, but 8 cards per back, 11 packs per box, so let's see where this takes us. Cost me about 30 bucks at Walmart, I believe. Oh. 5 packs there and 6 packs there, so we look good. You also don't forget that they have the cards on the back. I got it for the Besser, this box really. I'll have to keep that later on. Okay, so without further ado, oh boy, I hope I didn't damage that card. Okay. Jared McCann, Jordan Wheel, Frederick Clayson, James Reimer, marquee rookie of Daniel Berkeley, and looks like a retro of Timo Meyer. I believe those are base, so. Michael Camilleri, Ryan Johansson, Connor Brickley, Jamie McGinn, an all-star of Chris Letang, and a mini of Mitch Marner. You can see that. Focus in here. Never been a big fan of the mini cards, but yeah, this looks kind of neat. Definitely has a retro feel, I guess you could say. Oh. Jake Allen, Brian Little, Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. Oh, okay. Season highlights Connor McDavid. And, okay, this is a black border of Joe Thornton, the mini. Wonder if that's rare. I guess we'll have to look it up later. Yeah, we got Alex Tuck and Jesse Pliarvi. Okay. Try to speed this up. I'll start skipping the base cards here. Overall, they got a decent vintage kind of look to these cards, I think. Scott Lawton, Lars Eller, Tristan Jerry, marquee rookie of John Gilmore, and a retro all-star of Mike Smith. Nate Thompson, Pavel Borovic, okay, Jake Gardner, Toronto Maple Leaf retro. Oh, checklist cards. Forgot about those. Okay, team checklist card of the St. Louis Blues. It's probably a base card still. Jeez, the plain old checklist cards. Vladislav Nemesnikov, more base. Okay, this Joel Eriksson-Ek. Okay, this is some sort of parallel. I'll have to look that up later. All-star of Nikita Kucherov, which is probably just a base card. Okay. And I have to look these up on cardboardconnection.com just so I don't overlook it yet. Victor Arvidsson, Niskanen, team checklist card. Okay. Benoit Pouliot, Buffalo retro. Okay. Okay. Base. Okay, marquee rookie of Mitch Reinke. Okay. Ryan Gaborik. Okay, rest is base. Okay, we got a couple more packs here. Hopefully we'll get something better here. It's looking pretty mediocre, not unless that black border Joe Thornton is worth something. Okay, marquee rookie Victor Eidsel? Oh boy, never heard of him. And another black border of Claude Giroux. Okay, well I guess those black border cards, mini cards, aren't all that rare if I get 2 in a box. Okay. Anthony Beauvillier, All-Star of Johnny Gaudreau. Yaroslav Halak. Oh, okay. Henrik Sedin. Okay. Team checklist. Okay, it's looking like that's it. So we'll go through everything here. Okay, we got the black border Claude Giroux, the marquee rookie. I'm guessing that's a retro marquee rookie of Victor Ejdsell. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Ejdssell. Mitch Reinke, marquee rookie. Poliat retro, some sort of a parallel of Joel Eriksson. Jake Gardner retro. All-Star Mike Smith retro. Another marquee rookie, John Gilmore. Another black border mini of Joe Thornton. Okay, Connor McDavid base card. Season highlight here. A white Mitch Marner. Another parallel of Chris Letang. Another retro of Timo Meyer. Another marquee retro of Daniel Berkeley. Okay. Not exactly sure what we got here, but hopefully we got something good out of all that stuff. So, but anyways, guys, you guys know the drill. You know, subscribe to this YouTube channel and smash that like button. It helps me out a lot. And if you want to talk trades or somebody buy some of this stuff, you can contact me on eBay at 383Shaun or go to my blog on steemit.com at Shaun Giroux, Shaun spelled S-H-A-U-N. And hopefully we can pull off some buying and trading. Okay, we'll talk to you guys soon. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.